Hi everyone, this is Joe with Car Care Team. We're going to replace the door handle on this 2002 Chevy Astro. This door handle has been coming loose, has excessive free play. It is hard to open. Luckily we can pull on it hard enough to get it to open. We're going to go ahead and replace it, and to access it we're going to remove the inner door panel. We've got to undo a couple of bolts here. Also got to undo a bolt here, and here. In order to remove the old-fashioned window switch, from the inside there's a little circlip. I'm going to try and show you guys. Right in there. And then you can remove the window lever. Try and be very gentle, as this is already cracking. They are extremely prone to cracking at this age. Trying to detach them from the inside so that they don't break on the way out. Got some tension here. Just a little clip to undo there. So it's just a little plastic rivet to undo here. So this is the inside of our door. Right back here is the nuts for our door handle that we're going to get access to and remove it. Behind this rubber window run channel, we're going to need to remove this 10mm nut here and one up here. So I've got to disconnect the door latch mechanism, and I'm going to use the long flathead to do that. So it's kind of tough to get in there, but that's the bolt that we need to reach. There's one up there and one down there. It's one. And that's the one that's moving real slowly. So we just got to release our door lever from the latch connector there. So here's our old one, broken here, so that spring lost tension. And here's our new one, the Dorman from AutoZone. You want to compare them, make sure they're the same size, make sure that your mounting bolts are in the same position. This one's missing a bolt or two. Well, that's because that broke off. See, that's why it wasn't working. Let's reinstall this new door handle. So first we're going to reconnect this latch here. We've connected it to the latch, we've orientated the door handle properly, and I'm going to run in the two fasteners from the inside. Everything looks good.
All
We've
the
got
bolts
the
are
upper
on now.
bolt
We're just
and
tightening
lower
them
bolt
down.
tightened. Let's go ahead and put the window run channel back in. Let's reconnect the rod for the door latch, just like that. Let's reinstall the door panel. So we verified that the inner door handle and outer door handle work properly. The door locks and unlocks. Let's reinstall the interior door panel. Once they start clipping in, that's a good sign. Just like that, the circlip's on halfway. Once it's on the shaft, I'm just going to give it a push. And we're on. I hope you guys like this video, and thanks for watching. I'm like Ray Charles right now. Beethoven. You gotta feel it. I don't feel anything.